I just want to post this update. I started putting in the LEDs, and let me reset this so uh, it will start over again. Anyway, out of a 1 meter thing, I'm cutting 9 of these LEDs. These ones right here, or I can show it this way here. And then I have to solder wires on both ends, and uh, then wire it in certain sequence. And I think it's looking pretty darn good for what it is right now. I'm not following the normal order of how these LEDs work. Uh, I'm kind of picking my own, and I have a reason for that. Hopefully it's gonna work out. So that's just a quick little update that I'm working on it. This took most of the day. It's very tedious work, and I don't have room to work on, and then I have to still put in the other half, and I actually don't even know how I'm going to do that, but I'm just doing one thing at a time, and then we'll see. That's all I can tell you, really. Alrighty, so you all have a great day, and let's hope that I'll finish this project.